All right, so I'm looking at the screen here, and what do I see? So the cool thing about this is you can zoom in on the screen. Can you see it? So running right up here, a right angle all the way across, and it looks like things converge into this corner. And if you look at down here, right, this line runs all the way up from almost this camera. Okay, so let's zoom in on it again. Let's zoom in. I mean, when you zoom in, I mean, the corner is completely obvious. There it is. The corner in the screen runs all the way out. And again, this is at, like, I noticed it like 51 minutes in to the video, and now at 52 minutes and 6 seconds, it's just obvious that there is a right angle and a blue line that cuts all the way up and across. Okay, and I'll just bring it down so it's better in screen on my camera here. And it runs all the way across. All the way across. All the way across. And they must have blended it better down the other side there, but you can see it ends up right there. See it? Blue line running all the way across the screen. I don't know. I wonder how they're going to, how Dave Weiss is going to explain this one away. It comes all the way down here. See it going all the way down here. That to me looks like the scene of a gigantic LED screen. That's what it looks like to me. Okay, so I can come here. I can zoom in one of two ways. I can zoom in on their camera, or I can zoom in on my camera. Unfortunately, I got a little reflection there. I'm going to try to get rid of the reflections for you. That's the other one. Undeniable. See it? So all the way down. Even into here, all the way down. It's completely nuts. And it makes that camera look like it's not... it's part of the screen. I don't know how far out the screen would be. On the bottom, I have yet to see the image there, but seek and ye shall find. There it is, running all the way across the sky on a right angle from here to here. I don't know how you explain that away with, the 360 camera or whatever it is they'll use to try to say that this sky isn't just converging locally here. And it's obviously being projected as the horizon. This could be the fourth wall, right, that they had to cover up from their 360. Who knows? Anyway, I'm going to try and get this out as quickly as possible. Again, right up here, cutting across, there's this line in the sky. And fortunately, you can zoom in on this footage from this 360 camera. That was obviously 360 of some kind of a screen that's projected for it. Come all the way across to a right angle. It cuts all the way down to the ground. There it is. See it? Right over here, right where my mouse is. I can just pull it, pull it right down. And you could see it. It's like a mirror projection across from one to the other. I mean, it's so obvious now that I've zoomed in on it. It's just crazy. So here we go. I haven't done, like, this is the first thing I found that was really anomalous for me. So, and I haven't, people can claim whatever they want about the other shadows and all this stuff. Nothing explains this to me better than they're using some kind of 3D screens. Like, how else do you define that there's this right angle in the sky there, other than it's just another part of the LED wall? And they thought they would have edited all this stuff out, I guess. I don't know. But here it is. Seek and you shall find. I mean, I pray on this stuff. I'm like, oh my God, if this is fake, please let me find it. And I found something really fake. So, looks fake because it blends right here at this line. And when I'm looking on a 4K screen, I'm videoing on my phone, but when I look at it and I blow it up on my Mac, it's just so obvious. There it is, the blending of the footage. Comes all the way up into the sky, all the way up, makes a right angle and cuts back to the left. So there you have it. I don't know why they'd have to fake it, but it definitely looks like it to me.